eat earlier. I'm a belly not complete hungry yet. But I know say later I go hungry. So I buy the food and put on. Because I know say I go hungry. So that's how I go. So I go cross now. See if I get the mango. I'm not going to me down here because sometimes I just drive like them crazy. Because I come on the road and I wouldn't feel drive fast. Unbelievable and ridiculous. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Me there, man. Me there, me there, me there. Me there. Belly full but then starving. Me there next place now. Them have mango for $2.99 and 2 for $5. 2 for $5 and $3. So the next place of the $2 one then. You see I go? $2 one. Where you want to see? Where you want to see? You do what? You got somebody what? Huh? Yeah, you love me, Kayoma? Say hello to the people. Say some hello to somebody in your country.
No, nobody in my country.
You know nobody in your country? My God, you work so hard, you come to this country working hard, no girlfriend? What about everybody here? It's good, it's good. Alright, so. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, big up yourself, people. Love you, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Hey, hey. Right, baby? Put up one on like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, so right now, I come to show them off the mango. The mango have $5 and $3. So I go out and run by the $2 one, right? Alright, and I have one special tea. I think I have the tea up, so I'm so much in charge of tea. Thai tea, good. Many for the same price. Tea $2.99. You get a pack of the tea. $2.99 one. Yeah. Not that one, the other one. The middle one. Huh? For which? For the middle one? That one with the black with the thing. Middle one, yeah. How much? Same thing? Yeah, how much? How much is it? How much is it? $4.99?
$4.99.
Yes, so that's the one I wanted. Thanks, babe. Over here? Thank you. Yeah, so we got the tea. At least I get this one. I like the tea here. Because when you drink the tea here, go to the bathroom, clean your stomach good. Very clean inside the stomach. Take out all old feces or anything in your stomach, anything. You just take everything out your belly. So this is good to have and it's good to drink. Trust me, very, very good. And keep your belly flat and clean. So if I take one of this, because I can't, you know, me eat. You know, everybody me eat. So, yeah. So me get that. So I walk back to the place and pick up some mangoes. Some mangoes, and then I pick up the brown rice and I'm heading home. Guys, I love you.
How much that?
I love you. I love you. And I'll be back in a minute. All right.